how I create the perfect slick back look for my clients. Then we're going to create a mohawk in the middle of the head to create our guide so that we can follow that throughout the entire cut. Here you always want to double check your cut, make sure that everything is even because we are humans and one side will be longer than the other, always. I'm then going to use some Slick Gorilla sea salt spray to spray into the hair so I can blow dry and then come back in and start doing some clipper work. While I blow dry the hair, I'm going to blow dry it in the direction that I want the hair to lay. Then I'm going to come in with my 2-guard and start cleaning up the sides so I can start creating a blend from the sides of the head to the top. I'll be starting my fade from bottom to top, starting off with a 1/2 guard, creating that first guideline. Then coming in with a 1 guard and starting to blend in that 1/2 into the 2. Once I'm done with that process all over the head, I will be grabbing my shears over comb technique to create a softer blend for this haircut. I'll then grab my texturing shears to create a smoother blend within the sides and the top. You don't want to do too much texturing shears because then you might create holes in your haircut. For this haircut, I'll be fading out the sideburns as well as the nape of the neck. For my fade, I'll be starting out with my clippers with the lever closed, and I'll be working into a 1/2 guard. I'll then grab my trimmers and start to line up my client around the ear and work my way down to the nape area. Then I'll be sure to fade out the sideburns as well. Before finishing the haircut, I'll be going through the entire top one more time with my shears, evening everything out, catching any hairs that might have been missed, as well as making sure that my client is happy with the length. If my client's not happy with the length, I'll take off a little bit more than I originally took off. Then I'll come back in with my shears and use a little slicing technique just to create a little more texture within the layers that I've already created. And here's the final look of my slick back haircut.